Hi there, students. Plum. Okay, the first thing to think about, plum without a B is the fruit. In the past, they used to spell it with a B as well. But plum, P-L-U-M, a fruit to eat. But in this video, I want to look at plum with a B. This is related to the word a plumber. When your toilet is blocked, the plumber is the guy you ring and say, "Come and help me, please." Okay, this word is related to the Latin word plumbum, lead. And in old times, all of the pipes used to be made of lead. And therefore the plumber is the person who plumbs the pipes from one place to another. But we also have a plumb line. A plumb line is a piece of string with a weight on the end, often made of lead. And with this plumb line, you can determine a vertical line. You hold it up, it hangs down exactly vertically. So, for example, if you're building a wall or hanging a door, then a plumb line is an essential tool. Okay, so a string with a heavy piece of lead on the end. We also use plumb as an adjective, meaning that something is accurately aligned. It's perfectly aligned. I hit the target plumb center, absolutely in the center. I hit it plumb, perfectly. This is plumb. This line is plumb vertical. It's plumb straight, accurately aligned. Okay, and then we can also use to plumb, meaning to determine the depth of something. Especially a sea or a piece of sea or a lake or a river. You take a heavy weight, probably made of lead, and you attach a rope to it and you let it go down. And when it hits the bottom, you can feel it. And then you measure how much rope you've used to plumb. We have a phrase to plumb the depths of. To explore how deep a subject is. Okay, so this is more metaphorical. The psychiatrist plumbed the depths of my complicated mind. Okay, measure the depths of, investigate into. Deeply, but something very complex as well. Okay, and this is plumb. So, a plumber plumbs. He connects your water pipes and repairs leaks. You have a plumb line, the string with the lead on the end to measure vertical, which is a builder's tool. And then you can plumb the depths of something, or to plumb, to find out how deep it is. Okay? Now, next question, formality. Let's see, I think plumb, as in plumb center, accurately aligned, it's probably less formal than the other two. To plumb the depths, to me, sounds like a 6 or a 7 in formality, whereas plumb, a 5 in formality. And I think you could use plumb center in an informal conversation and in a very formal document. To plumb the depths of, I would say to investigate, to measure the depths of informally. And I would use that semi-formally or formally. Okay? And then a plumb line is a tool, so you use it where you need it. Okay? And remember, the fruit is without a B. But even though this word plum has got a B on the end, the B is silent. Plum, as in lamb, climb. Okay? Silent B's at the ends of words. Okay, so I hope you don't need the plumber to plumb your pipes, but if he does, I hope his work is plumb on. It's exactly right. Otherwise, you're going to have to plumb the depths of the flooding in your house. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Plum.